They show process of painting. They show very lively, and I make sure that they are good art student. They make the warning and tip many times. When they mix the paint during painting the canvas, they say the warning. It is more careful to watching the canvas, because if the canvas don't dry effectively, the paint didn't show very well. So they said we should rechecking the canvas more times. And they said the tips that the oil is more effectively. If we use the oil when we paint, oil makes the paint more soft. So they use the paint more times. And they start the sketch. They use the pencil. First, they say the tips that we should use the color pencil, and they say tips one more that we should use the bending palette, because it is more effectively when we use a palette. And they say more tips that we should wear the apron. It is because the when we use the 물감, it is more useful to wear the apron. And finally, warning tip was do not falling the brush. I think they showed the lively video. It was very interesting, but they didn't smile, so it was boring.